Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly worrying about how to make ends meet? Do you dream of a life without constant financial stress, where you can finally breathe easy and enjoy your hard-earned money? Millions of Americans are burdened with debt, feeling like they're drowning in a sea of bills and financial obligations. But there's hope. Financial peace is possible, and it starts with taking control of your money and making informed decisions. This summary will guide you through the simple yet powerful steps outlined in the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, a book that has transformed countless lives. His plan, developed from years of experience helping people just like you, provides a clear path to financial freedom and stability. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a practical, step-by-step approach to eliminate debt, build wealth, and achieve your financial goals, one step at a time. No matter how dire your current situation may seem, remember this: you are not alone, and it's never too late to turn things around and start anew. With commitment, perseverance, and the right guidance, you can break free from the chains of debt and build a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones, filled with financial security and peace of mind. The Total Money Makeover isn't about complicated financial jargon or risky investments. It's about common sense, discipline, and a commitment to changing your relationship with money. This plan is built on 7 sequential baby steps, each designed to build upon the previous one. These steps are designed to be achievable regardless of your income level. It's not about how much you make, but about how you manage what you have. We'll break down each step in detail, providing clear explanations and relatable examples to guide you along the way. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges and moments of doubt, but the rewards of financial freedom are well worth the effort. Let's dive into the first step and start building a solid foundation for your financial future. Imagine this: your car breaks down or an unexpected medical bill arrives. These are the moments that can catch you off guard and leave you scrambling for solutions. Without an emergency fund, these situations can derail your finances and send you spiraling into debt. The stress and anxiety can be overwhelming, making it hard to focus on anything else. That's why baby step 1 is crucial. Save $1,000 as quickly as possible. This isn't just a random number, it's a strategic amount to cover most small emergencies. This initial emergency fund acts as a buffer, a safety net to catch you when life throws those inevitable curveballs. It provides a sense of security and stability. It may seem daunting, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck, but even small, consistent savings add up over time. Every little bit you save brings you closer to your goal. Cut back on unnecessary expenses, sell unused items, or pick up a side hustle to reach your goal faster. These small sacrifices can make a big difference in the long run. Having this small cushion will give you peace of mind and prevent minor financial setbacks from becoming major crises. You'll be able to handle unexpected expenses without panic. Remember, this is just the beginning. Once you've built this initial fund, we'll move on to tackling your debt head-on. This journey is about creating a solid financial foundation for your future. Debt can feel like a heavy weight, holding you back from achieving your dreams. That's why baby step 2 focuses on eliminating it as quickly and efficiently as possible using the debt snowball method. List all your debts, except your mortgage, from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Then, attack the smallest debt with intensity, while making minimum payments on all others. Once that first debt is gone, roll that payment amount into the next smallest debt, creating a snowball effect. Why this approach? It's about building momentum and celebrating small victories. As you see debts disappear, you gain motivation and confidence to keep going. The psychological impact of this method is powerful, propelling you towards a debt-free future. Section 5, Baby Step 3, Building Your Financial Fortress. Congratulations! You've paid off your debts and have a small emergency fund. This is a significant milestone, and you should be proud of your progress. Now it's time to build a solid financial fortress with Baby Step 3. Fully fund your emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This step is crucial for long-term financial stability. Life is full of surprises, and this larger emergency fund provides security during job loss, medical emergencies, or other unforeseen events. It acts as a buffer, giving you the confidence to face life's uncertainties. It's about having peace of mind, knowing you can weather any storm without going back into debt. This peace of mind is invaluable and allows you to focus on other important aspects of your life. calculate your monthly expenses and multiply by 3 to 6 to determine your target savings amount. This calculation will give you a clear goal to work towards. Continue those same money-saving habits you developed in previous steps to reach this goal. Consistency is key, and every little bit saved brings you closer to your target. This financial cushion will provide a sense of security and freedom as you move on to building wealth. With this foundation, you can confidently pursue your financial dreams and goals. Section 6. Baby Step 4. Securing your future with retirement savings. Retirement might seem far off, but it's never too early to start planning. Baby Step 4 is all about investing in your future by contributing 15% of your household income to retirement accounts. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, especially if they offer matching contributions. That's free money. Consider opening individual retirement accounts, IRAs, to maximize your tax advantages and grow your savings over time. Remember, compound interest is a powerful tool. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Don't delay. Start building a secure and comfortable retirement today. Section 7. Baby Step 5. Investing in your children's education. Education is a gift that keeps on giving, but college costs can be daunting. Baby Step 5 focuses on saving for your children's college education using tax-advantaged accounts like 529 plans or educational savings accounts, ESAs. These accounts allow your investments to grow tax-free, and withdrawals are tax-free when used for qualified education expenses. Start early and contribute consistently to ease the financial burden of college tuition. Remember, investing in your children's education is an investment in their future. By planning ahead, you can help them achieve their dreams without being saddled with student loan debt. Section 8. Baby Step 6. Owning your home free and clear. Imagine the freedom of owning your home outright. No more mortgage payments. That's the goal of Baby Step 6. Pay off your mortgage early. With your finances in order and savings growing, you can now focus on accelerating your mortgage payments. Consider making bi-weekly payments, applying extra money towards the principal, or refinancing to a shorter-term loan. Becoming mortgage-free provides peace of mind, financial security, and opens up possibilities for future goals. It's a significant milestone on your journey to financial freedom. Section 9. Baby Step 7. Building wealth and giving back. Congratulations! You've reached the pinnacle of the total money makeover, Baby Step 7, building wealth and giving generously. With your finances in order and debt eliminated, you have the freedom to pursue your dreams and make a difference in the world. Continue investing wisely, explore new income streams, and consider strategies for growing your wealth. At the same time, remember the importance of giving back to your community and supporting causes you care about. Financial freedom isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's about living a life of purpose and making a positive impact on the world around you. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and use your financial resources to make a difference. Section 10. Changing your money mindset and budgeting. The Total Money Makeover is not just about following steps, it's about transforming your relationship with money. It's about shifting from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset, from impulsive spending to intentional living. Creating and sticking to a budget is crucial for success. It's not about restriction, it's about awareness and control. Track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can save, and allocate your money towards your goals. Remember, a budget is a tool to help you achieve your financial dreams, not a punishment. Embrace it, make it work for you, and watch your financial well-being flourish. Section 11. Communication. The key to financial harmony for couples. For couples, open and honest communication about finances is paramount. Share your financial goals, fears, and aspirations with each other. Work together as a team to create a shared vision for your financial future. Hold regular money dates to review your budget, track progress towards goals, and address any financial concerns. Remember, you are partners in this journey, and supporting each other is crucial for success. By communicating effectively and making joint decisions, you can avoid financial conflicts and build a strong financial foundation for your relationship. Section 12. You can achieve financial freedom. The path to financial freedom might seem challenging, but it's achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort. The Total Money Makeover provides a clear roadmap, guiding you step by step towards a debt-free and financially secure future. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but about how you manage what you have. Embrace the principles of saving, debt reduction, and intentional spending. Celebrate your progress, stay focused on your goals, and never give up on your dream of financial freedom. You've got this. Take control of your finances today and start building the life you deserve. Thank you for investing the time to watch this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Remember, your journey to financial freedom is just beginning, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Join our community by following us on social media, where we share daily tips, success stories, and motivational content to keep you inspired. Also, check out our other videos for more in-depth guides on budgeting, investing, and achieving your financial goals. Together, we can build a future of financial independence and security. Thank you for being part of our mission to empower individuals to take control of their finances. Until next time, stay focused, stay positive, and keep moving forward. You've got this.